I can't even let you get close. Jet fuel in the tank, big blues in the bank. I had her up on my rank. They couldn't do it like I can. No one can do it. It takes okay. Mission flyer, spitting fire.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great Sunshine State. The sun's out there, trust me. It's hot, especially down here in Orlando. We're at Orlando Speedway for the Northern Hemi shootout. They're gonna do round one eliminations now. Leon Epling, it's a manual, believe it or not. One of the I think it's the fastest Hellcat in the world. Don't quote me on that, but it's badass. But they go all them lined up, ready for eliminations. Man, coming to these events surely make you want to come back and bring my car and everything like that. You know, I'm kind of come out, see where I fit in. You know, you got to get in where you fit in. And of course, I ain't gonna be in no outlaw class, but they do have time index. So I'm probably thinking like 1050, and we go from there. But we're here at the track, enjoying ourselves. Here, one of the track guys. How's it? How's the track today?
It's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tight. We're gonna go fast.
Hear that? Fast. Everybody likes fast. It's gonna be a hot one though.
We might see some records.
Oh wow! What's the DA? You know about DA by chance?
I do not offhand.
Okay. Logan, you know what the DA is today by right now? Yeah. Okay.
Last 2 days it's been like
21? Yeah.
Ready to go?
Look at that old school. Full interior, clean. He's getting out there. He's an 1150 index. See a Holly sniper system. Woo. Look, it's a V6 Charger. Oh, it's a V6 Charger. Look at that. It's a V6 on the outside. Wow. Look at that. There's a lot of demons out here too. Here's one demon. Here go another demon. As I said, there's a few demons out here. Couple of 300s for the 300 boys. Bunch of red eyes. Some RTs.
Why don't we just run qualifying now? And then we could all just leave. Right. We can go back to the hotels and relax. No, we gotta stay here at 45. TV's gotta record. Well, record it. Hit show recording. I don't care.
For the Magnum boys. Looks like a Pro Charger. For the Ram boys. Ooh, smells so good. This race fuel out here. Is it Wonder Kitten? Oh, Valhalla Kitten. I think this is a girl's car. Yeah. Getting her tires ready to race. What class are you in?
I'm 10 cars.
Okay. 10-5. But she's doing her own thing. This Jeep right here is pretty rowdy. Pretty rowdy. Yeah, look at those headlights. Alright, gonna show us what he got. Oh man, this is a show car. Look at that. It's a show car.
That's nice, man.
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, when I first got on the 426, I started with that one.
More Hellcats on the Hellcats on the Hellcats. This is that twin turbo 392. Twin turbo 392, guys. Lemon chasers. No clue what that is. But he has a number. Call him up. Tell him you want some lemons. RT. More red eyes. From Ohio. Smooth and rain. Like the rap. Yep. It's a red eye. Girl. Who did your rap?
Cincy Vinyls, it's in Ohio.
Huh?
Cincy Vinyls, but it's in Ohio.
I know, I saw the plate. Here, that's me. I'll check you out to subscribe as well.
Okay, for sure.
That's mine, it's wrapped.
Are you here?
No, I didn't bring it, I broke. I like it. It's pretty, I like it. Check me out. Like 7 hours, but I'm still in Florida.
Okay, home, the Panhandle side?
Yeah.
I got married in Destin, so I know.
Oh yeah, we're both from there. We're at Herbert Field. We're stationed at Herbert Field.
Okay, we actually did a ladies event Panama City last year for a twin drive.
Okay.
So we're trying to move the 490 here for our second one, but it's like just a ladies direction.
Yeah, there's a lot of race. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You should come out to Texas. The big showdown, Demonology and Duckmaster.
Oh, that's
April 10th. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm already. I have a family car show, but Shaquille O'Neal
Okay.
in Atlanta. So
Oh, okay. Yeah, that same with Swipe. Yeah, yeah. A bunch of guys from here are going to that one.
yep.
Yeah. Uh huh. I like it. I go and check the channel out.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Good luck on the track.
Thank you.
They ain't made them yet. So this is a Charger. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry.
gotta tell her.
Here's my number, girl.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like a